today we're gonna make chicken steam bun, and first we have to make the dough for the steam bun, and we need about one and quarter cup of water, warm water. We have hot water and all. 1 1/4 cup of water. Okay, it's warm hot water, and we need half tablespoon of yeast. It's half tablespoon. Then need a quarter cup of sugar. Okay, quarter cup. And you stir them. Okay, so we probably have to wait about 5-10 minutes, maybe 10-15 minutes. Wait until it kind of reacts that have a layer of bubble on the top, you know. So this time we heat up the oven to between 150 or 200. We set it this one we set it 170. Okay, so we turn it on. We want to preheat the oven just for like few minutes, you know. Then we shut it off later. And that's the filling we're gonna make, and we use about a pound of chicken, chop up small, like dice and kind of small piece. We're gonna use about 2 tablespoons of gingers, cut up gingers, and 3 pieces of black mushroom, and you have to soak it overnight to get it kind of soft, and you cut them small pieces, quarter the cup. And we need some green onions, about 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons of jumbo onions, the regular onions, and some cilantro in it. Okay, so we're gonna put the seasoning in it. We're gonna use 2 tablespoons of cooking wine, and 5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Then and 1 sesame seed oil. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. And 1 teaspoon of white pepper. We need 5 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we use about 5 tablespoons of potato flour. 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that's about it. Then so you just make them together. That's for the filling for the chicken steam bun. Okay, then we put on the side here, and we start making the dough. See, and this is almost done. You can see that it's already kind of ready, you know. And we need 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. 1, 2. Okay, about 3 cup right here. And half tablespoon of baking powder. I put in here. Okay. Then one and a half tablespoon of seasoning. 1.5. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna start making the dough right now. Then we mix them together, all the like the seasoning and the flour, all mix them together. Then you put this in. And if you feel it is too wet, you just add some flour into it. Okay, then now we can turn up the oven right now. So because you only need to warm up that preheat, you don't need to make it that hard, you know. So, or you don't need to, or you can leave it room temperature too, you know. And you have to do this at least like 5 minutes to 10 minutes to make it real even, you know. And it's not too sticky or kind of soft and just right, you know. If you're too sticky, you just add flour to it, and if it get too dry, you just add some water into it. See, you just keep doing this. Okay, that's about right. You see that that's about right, you know. Then so you need to get flour on it so they don't sticky later. And we're gonna cover them with a foil like that, and we're gonna put it into the oven. Okay, so we're gonna put it in a preheat oven for like between hour to 45 minutes, depend on how they dry. You know, you have to wait until you can see that double size or triple size. Okay. Alright, then we come back. It's about ready. So you take a look at it. It's, they usually multiply, they write almost a triple size. You know. Then we're going to start making the steamed bun. Okay? Enough to make about 12 steamed bun. So we make half of first. So we make half of them first. This should be enough to make like like 6 of them, 6 steam bun. Okay. So make it to 6 pieces. So you're kind of flattening them out. Like that. And that's the filling in here we're gonna make then about 1.5 tablespoon in it. There's one here. Okay, that's going to be ready to make almost done. Okay, then that can be done. So, like that, we're gonna put it in a steamer. So we're gonna split them so they don't stick together. So, okay. Then we're gonna put it in there for around 15 minutes. It is about 15 minutes. So we pick them up. Okay, so now we put it on the plate. So we cut one up. And that's a chicken steam bun.